Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can increase pressure on a boiler. So let's get started. Now first off, you would need to open up this hatch right here so you can see your boiler's pressure meter. There's this right here. So as you can see, we're a bit short on pressure. It's about 0.2 bars. So to increase pressure on a boiler, for this one you can leave it on, but depending on your boiler, I would suggest that you turn it off. So if you take a look beneath the boiler, you will be able to see this right here. So this is a valve that you can turn and then let the water into the boiler's tank. So what you would need to do is turn this clockwise. So here depending on your boiler, you might also have just a small lever. So I will just turn this clockwise, and now the water is flowing into the tank. So as you can see, the bars are increasing and they're now in this green zone. And now to stop it, I just turned it counterclockwise. So essentially, that's guys how you can increase pressure on a boiler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.